I need my money.
Yeah.
Come.
Okay.
I want my money. Yes, baby. Hi, faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Let me take off my glasses so you guys can see my face. Even though the sun is kind of in my eyes. Why this one here?
So the little shoes
In the garbage?
in the middle of the wall.
No. There's always just one here sticking out and bothering you. You guys, good morning. Happy Saturday, you guys. Happy Saturday. Hopefully you guys are having a beautiful weekend. As you can see, the weather here is amazing. We don't need any sweater. Baby is representing Bahamas today. Tyler is representing Pacific, and of course Mel is all glammed as usual on the weekend, because that's what we do. Okay,
What you're presenting?
glam, pretty girl. You guys, we are out and about. We're on the road running errands. My husband said, what is glam? Oh, poor thing, he doesn't understand, he doesn't get it. What's that? You guys, we're out on the road running errands. Can you believe it's Saturday and babe went to work this morning? Yes, my husband went to work this morning. Babe had to go in to see a client, so he went to work and came back, and I was super busy, so I didn't pick up the camera at all this morning. I was just at it non-stopping. Out and about running errands. We do what we do on the weekends as usual. On that note, I'm going to jump straight in and give you the Jamaican expression for today. And the expression for today is me I beg you. Me I beg you simply means can you please. If somebody said, Mel, me I beg you some money, they're simply saying, can you please give me some money? So the Jamaican expression for today is me I beg you. And babe will give you his spin on it later, some point throughout the day today. It's actually afternoon now, so it's really bright and beautiful outside. The road is busy because it's the weekend, and yeah, like I said, we're not doing too much today. We're just taking the day as it goes by, running some errands, and yeah, so make sure you guys get your workouts in. You know it's the weekend, so it's Mel's rest day. Okay. So you guys, we're at the supermarket, and because it's almost Easter, you have so much option of chocolate to choose from, and I can't decide which chocolate to choose. There's so many options. You have chocolate shape in ducks, in rabbits, in bells, in carrots. There's so many options to choose from. I don't know which one to choose. It's crazy. All this here is chocolate. Me?
Yeah.
You didn't see me?
No, I know you were here.
Yeah, I just don't know which one to choose. Tyler, pick up this one, but I want something unique like this rabbit here. Yeah, but I'm afraid this long one gonna break. I love this rabbit. You don't like this rabbit? You like this rabbit? This one?
Which one?
This one.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's very pretty. And there's chickens down here and eggs. I have so much to choose from. I don't know which one to choose. There's so much to choose from. Thank you. Yes, baby. Joyeux Pâques means happy Easter. I think I'm gonna take this one. I choose this one. From running our errands. This one here just keeps sticking out. Oh my gosh, we're back home from running our errands and it's actually dinner time. We're super hungry, but tonight guess what we're eating? Pizza. We're having pizza, but babe already threw it in the oven, so we're having this yummy cheesy pizza right here. That's the cheesy pizza that we're having tonight, because that's what we feel for. Okay, so that's what we're gonna have, and Tyler is gonna have his good food as usual. Baby's there chilling in the couch.
Hi guys, watching TV, Saturday resting. That's the three king word of the Saturday of the weekend. Watching TV, laying down, resting
and eating. That's the next word, right?
Oh, and sleeping.
Sleeping. No, Saturday we always do road, don't babe?
We are the road.
We are the road on Saturdays, and Tyler is outside. Hello. Hey. Hello. What are you doing? Ball. What color is that? What color is that? Blue? Hey, that's blue? Blue, yeah. He loves outside. Sweet boy. Sweet boy. It's really a beautiful day today. It's bright and sunny out, so I gotta make use of outside. I have some clothes on the line that is drying right now, and I just clean babe shoes for him. Damn, babe, you gotta have to pay me. Come, you have to pay me. You have to pay me, and you have to kiss me.
Oh, because the shoe's pretty.
Pretty.
Well, I kiss you every time.
So you're not gonna pay me?
I pay you every time.
When? What you pay me for?
Oh, taking care of Tyler.
When you pay me to take care of Tyler? When?
Every day.
Where?
Food and house and.
No, I need my money.
Yeah.
Come.
Okay.
I want my money. It's a beautiful day, but over the city is so foggy. I don't know, babe, what causes that? You see how foggy it looks, even though it's bright out? I don't know what causes that, babe. What causes all this fogginess over the city? I don't know what causes that, but it's really foggy over there. I can't even see the beach. That's how foggy it is.
It looks in the test.
Well, you don't taste it yet, babe.
Because I know it is good.
This is one of my favorite pizza to get at the supermarket, you guys. Absolute yummy. In the crust inside here is all cheese inside the crust, and this is all cheese. It's really good, and just onions. So we are about to grab in dinner right now.
He's gonna break. Beep.
You guys, we've been absolutely having an amazing afternoon. Just spending time with the family, messing around with Tyler, making him laugh non-stop. But now it's time to put him to bed. I've never shown you guys outside from this window before. This is actually outside. The sunset moves to this side of the house. It's not at the front anymore when it sets really beautifully. So this is what the sunset looks like. Even though it's that bright outside, it's actually almost 8 p.m. so it's time to give this little one right here a bath and then put him to bed real quick so Mama and Papa can get some stuff done.
Papa. Papa.
We Tyler.
Papa.
We Tyler.
Say bye bye.
Papa.
This idiot.
We Tyler.
Who is he? Who is that Ty? Tyler looking at you like, who is this crazy person? You guys, I just watched Tyler here. He didn't cry. All because Papa was playing with him the entire time. Oh.
Alright guys, so it's now the end of the day, Tyler off to bed. So that's time for me and Babe to tell everybody good night. We catch you guys tomorrow. I wish
What you owing for? You didn't say the Jamaican expression. You didn't say the Jamaican expression.
Baggy
for
waggy?
today. No.
That was
what was it again?
Baggy waggy.
No, wait.
Me beg you.
Yeah, me I beg you.
Yeah, me I beg
yeah,
you.
me I beg you. Say it.
Me I beg you.
Yeah.
But that's English, no?
No, I am. Please, I am asking you.
Okay.
Me
I
I
believe
beg
that was
you.
English because
Me?
I hear it every
Am
time.
I? No. Me
Okay,
is not
me I
English.
beg you. Yeah, begging is English, no?
Begging, yeah.
Okay, me I beg you.
Yes. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. So there you guys have Babe spin on the Jamaican expression
For today.
for today. And of course Tyler is off to bed like Babe says. And we're just going to end the vlog here because we have so much to do around the house. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below.
Thumbs up.
Catch up and keep up. Thumbs up this video, comment and chit chat with us. We love all of our faves. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Say
Tomorrow.
that. Sing it like me. Say tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Bye guys.
Pieces.